So this is a pretty cool thing you can do in Minnesota when it's cold. Actually, I have to go back inside because this thing is now frozen and it will no longer spray, so I gotta let it thaw out before I put sport coats on. Try it again. So it's so cold that it's pretty much freezing instantly. And it is frozen again. One last time. That should be good. Now I'm going to roll down the window. Okay, let's try the back one. I think I am going to need to warm the car up a little bit so that the ice is thawed from the windows. I'm going to try to use a hairdryer to loosen the ice from the window. Whoops, looks like it's all over the car. Make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.